Knowing when to replace your roof is essential to maintaining the safety and integrity of your home. The first thing to consider is the age of your roof. Most residential roofs are designed to last between 20 to 25 years. If your roof is approaching or has surpassed this age, it might be time to start thinking about a replacement, even if it still looks fine on the surface. Another critical sign is shingle damage. Check for cracked, curled, or missing shingles. These issues can expose your home to water damage and other elements, making your roof less effective. Speaking of water damage, if you notice leaks or water stains inside your home, it's a clear indication that your roof's protection is failing. Multiple leaks or persistent water damage often mean that it's more cost-effective to replace your roof rather than continually patching it. Granules from asphalt shingles accumulating in your gutters is another warning sign. These granules protect your shingles from UV rays, and their loss signals that your shingles are deteriorating. Additionally, if you observe your roof starting to sag, this could indicate serious structural issues that need immediate attention, potentially requiring a full roof replacement. Even your energy bills can provide a clue. If they've been rising unexpectedly, it could be due to your roof losing its insulating properties, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Lastly, if you see moss or algae growing on your roof, it's not just a cosmetic problem. These can trap moisture against your roof's surface, leading to rot and decay over time. If you're noticing any of these signs, it's time to take action. Contact Roof Worx today to schedule your free roof inspection. Our experts will assess your roof's condition and help you determine whether a replacement is the best option for keeping your home safe and secure. Let us help you protect your home with a high-quality, durable roof.